Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. I've got a question with me right over here. We need to find the volume of this shaded region. So let's read the question and understand what we're supposed to do. Find the volume of the ball obtained by rotating the parabolic arc y is equal to x squared. 0 is less or equal to x less or equal to 1 about the y-axis. So the first thing that we need to do here is to write the formula. So volume will be equal to pi, the integral there from a to b of x squared dy. So just on the formula itself, where there is x squared here would depend on what they've mentioned. So can you see what is here? They've said y-axis. So this thing is about the y-axis, this y-axis. Therefore, the formula here will have x squared. If it was about the x-axis, we would have put y squared. So now, we just get the given curve, which is a y is equal to x squared. Y is equal to x squared. And where there is x here, we are going to put the y. Okay? Now listen, we don't just get the y and put it here. We're supposed to make x subject of the formula so that we can have x right over here. So we're going to say square root both sides so that this and this will go. We shall remain with x, which is the subject of the formula, equal to the square root of y. Okay? You see? So now, this now has helped us understand what we're supposed to put right here. So we shall say pi, the integral for the limits. You follow what they've given you here. That is from 0 to a 1. And then here we shall have square root of y. There is a power 2 dy, like that, okay? So we've substituted there. Now from this stage, we can say pi, and then the integral from 0 to 1, the limits. Here we shall have y dy, because the root and the power 2 will cancel out. We can now integrate. So this will be pi, the integral of y is y power 2 over a 2. And then here we can say the limits are from 0 to 1, which is equal to pi. We substitute the limits. So we have 1 squared minus 0 squared. This will be a pi over a 2. And then here we shall have a 1, which is equal to pi over 2 cubic units. So that's volume. This is how we get to find the volume over this region right here.